Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my mini dashboard that I use for social media. And this week I will be combining the Happy Planner Sticker Books Colorful Leopard with these florals from Flower Power. This is actually a challenge for me because this book is one that I don't normally use and is one that I have difficulty with. So I really am challenging myself to use what I've got. Let's get started. Alrighty, so I'm already opening it up and seeing what sticker I want to use. I do like the Just Go For It, and I feel like if I put that there, you're still gonna see all the writing underneath, and I don't want that. So let's, oops, I can hear Lucy outside my office door whining. She wants to come in here. So it'd be Just Go For It. Can you guys hear her? And then now that that's there, I'm going to try and combine. Oh, Lucy's coming in. You take a nap then. She's hiding under my desk now. So let's find these florals. And there she is. Maybe put this here. Or I could put this here. Actually, I'm gonna do this. Put this here. So maybe I'm gonna put one of these down here. I'm just putting stickers down wherever, and then I feel like I'll figure it out when I feel like it. Don't mind me. Okay, so then I'm going to grab, since I've used 2 leopard print on that page, I'm gonna grab a floral box sticker to go here, and that's where I'm going to put my Instagram and YouTube stats. So then now I feel like I can put some floral down here. Although there is a lot of floral at the bottom of that already. So then let's find myself a nice quote. This one is put your heart into it, but I feel like this is huge. You know what? No, it works perfectly there. Okay, and then up here, it won't be a to buy, it will be, I'm gonna put this one, the plan, because that is basically the list of all the videos that I have to film. Okay. I actually like this little bouquet of leopard with the floral. So then, what I think I'm gonna do for this page anyway, how do I want to differentiate between a color background and a white background? And I think that's going to have to be done like with either boxes, or how do I want to do this? Because I'm flipping through now. Seize Today, Dream. I could use these. Okay, there's possibility, and then there's not much left in terms of floral that I could use. Although somebody mentioned about using the washi as like little flags. And hold up. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can use these as well as little washi. So Monday I will be putting out the After the Pen. So that's gonna go here. And then Tuesday will be the vertical. So I'm gonna use, I'm gonna use a floral sticker. Why not? Let's be adventurous here. So that's the first, and then again on, whoops, that's not going the right way. That's gonna bug me. And then on the second, I have the horizontal to go out. This is gonna look weird, I think. And then on the third will be the dailies on the white background. And I don't mind the flowers going different directions. And then the fourth, I have, what did I say? So the fourth, I have, oh gosh, let's find this one. The fourth I will have two, so I will have the fitness, but then I will also have a reel going out that day. I'm trying to do more reels. Oh, I don't know. What do you guys think of them? Actually, I'm going to use this smaller sticker. And I know it's green next to the green, but whatever. Then Saturday is the 5th, and that is on a white background. So that will be with this. I don't know how I feel about this whole decoration thing. And then on the 6th will be color. All right, so this is a little all over the place for me. I don't know what you guys think of that. But it's certainly worth a try. I feel like there's something else I could do to put in here. Let me see. I think we're gonna find jewel toned boxes and see if I can't add purple. There we go. I think adding the purple box will actually make a huge difference. This is more blue. Ooh, there is blue in here. That green won't work. That orange won't work. The blue is a bit iffy. I really like my colors to match. If you guys haven't noticed, I really do like my colors to match. But you know what? I feel like there's so many colors in here already that it's okay. This is definitely going to be the most stickers I've used in a dashboard layout. Don't know how I feel about this whole spread, but I don't know. We'll see. All right. So that is a lot of stickers. That is a lot for me. So I'm going to go ahead and write in here, and then I will show you guys once it's all done. So there's the overall finished spread. You know what? Well, now that it's all written in, I actually don't mind all of these boxes, and I find the dashboard layout really functional for me when it comes to social media. So in this area, I've written down the list of videos I have to film, along with the date that they're going to be published. Here I will keep track of my YouTube and Instagram stats. And then in here are the actual days that the YouTube video is published. I've decided to switch around when my dashboard and my after the pen go out, just so that I don't feel so rushed to get the after the pen out. And then in here is the actual schedule of when I'm posting things on Instagram, as well as the background color for the photo. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.